Good afternoon everyone. Here is the next lecture of HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. In first lecture we had learnt the method to make a simple web page or a simple HTML web page designing we had learnt. So we had learnt there are two sections, header and body sections. So now we will discuss header section in detail. Header section, HTML document includes a pair of text, header on, header off. Here header H. Here head is written in angular bracket, it is called on code, and head is written in angular bracket with forward slash, it is called off tag. So HTML document includes a pair of tags, head and head off, to identify a heading or title of document. The tag title on and title off can appear in this section. So in previous example also we had discussed title tag is merged in head tag. The text that exists between the title tag appears as the web browser's window. I had discussed orally also in the last lecture that whatever we write in title tag, it will not be shown on the body of the web page, it will be shown on the web browser's window. And the very important statement to note down is the length of title of any web page should not exceed beyond 60 characters. Yes, everyone just note down this, that whatever we write the text in title, it should not exceed beyond 60 characters. Next is body section. Body is a very important section in which everything which we want to show on web page is written. The body of an HTML document contains the text that will show up on the web page. For this, body on and body f tags are used. Means on code, off code. On code is always written in angular bracket, off code is written in angular brackets with forward slash. Here is the example of first HTML document. Here is a simple example. So we will start with HTML on. After, whenever we have finished our work, we will close HTML tag with forward slash in angular bracket. Afterward, there are two sections as I already told in last lecture, header and body. So head will begin, afterwards their title will begin, that will be shown with browser's window. You can write any title in title tag, or you can leave it empty, as I told it is a empty or standalone tag. You can write my first HTML document, you can write anything. Afterward you must have to close title tag with off code, means forward slash in angular bracket, and afterwards you will have to close head tag with angular bracket in angular bracket with forward slash. Afterwards header section, we will start body section. So in body section we can write any text like my first web page, as it is our first program, so we can write my first web page. Then we will close body tag with angular bracket in angular bracket with forward slash, and at the last of the program we will close HTML tag in angular bracket with forward slash. Now the next topic is requirements for making HTML document. Yes, what should we have for making a simple HTML document? Here are three things. First is editor. Editor means there should be an editor on which we have to write HTML program. So editor can be Notepad, or there can be a very good editor that's called Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver is a standard tool for writing web documents. Dreamweaver, you can download this from your Google. Second is how to run or execute HTML web page. A web browser. For this, a web browser is needed. A web browser means it is a client. Any kind of web browser you must have to run for executing your web page. Any web browser, for example Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, or any other example of web browser, etc. Last, how to save. For saving an HTML document, you can, to save a HTML document, use the extension .html or .htm also. For saving any web page in HTML, we can write for saving .html or .html as also. So in that way you can complete your web page and you can finally run this web page. Okay class, thank you.